So what's up people? How you doing? Hopefully everything is great. Hopefully your plans are on their way to be accomplished. Hopefully your health, your well-being, everything is perfectly great, everything is perfect and everything is nice. But do not forget that my name is Alex and I am just trading and showing you how to earn, teaching you how to use the tools to be able to earn. And today, another video in which I'm gonna be doing the same. I will be trying my best in order to explain the indicators. I forgot, I do apologize. The indicators, the reasons due to which I'm betting long or short. I'm just gonna be talking in general. I'm just gonna be showing you what I'm doing, explaining, and just telling you, so as a story. So do not forget to join my Telegram private group, because everything is also there, but in a more detailed way. And do not forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, because in that way you won't be missing my new videos. And of course, if you like this video, just leave a like. And by the way, link to my Telegram private group is going to be down in the description. So let's just start trading. So today I'm having $103, and today we're going to be trading with high cash candles though. All right, the indicators. Super trend there. What is RSI is going to be? Is it going to be? Do we need it? Do we need it? Okay, RSI is there, and the moving average, of course. We are using two moving averages really very often. So EMA here, main line is going to be green. The second one, period, now changing style, the red one here. Let's make it EMA as well. So here you go. What you can see there, what you can see just there. I can see that we're just going for short, and we are in a bearish trend right now. And if you take a look at the RSI, we can see that we are still not in the oversold zone, so it means we have some room to move. And so we are still below 30 if you take a look at the RSI. So this is the main reason why I believe that we should be going for short. There you go, perfect. Now we are having $197, but we are still above 30 though, according to the RSI. And I truly believe that it's still gonna be going lower, for sure. And yeah, it moves there, it moves just there. But we do not really care, because we were having the euro and the British pounds currencies. And euro is kind of losing its price. Do we care? No. We want it? Yes. Do we care? No. Moving to francs. Let me change amount to 197 there. I'm gonna be going for short, guys, because first of all, the green moving average is below the red one. So it's supporting the short position. And if you take a look, you can see the red candles. 3 red candles after each one. And it all started after the reverse hammer pattern. It's not really clear hammer, but it's close to that, So that's the main reason why I believe that we should be going for short, as well as if you take a look at the RSI, you can see that we are having a lot of room to move, a lot of room. We are still above the 30. And we even have, even according to the super trend, we have room. We have space to move. Here you go. Easy, right? Mind blowing how easy it is. $379 in my not in my bank account, of course I'm having more, but in my pocket option account right now. Canadian dollars and the Japanese yen. Ooh, RSI. Are we hopefully, wait. I'm changing it to 300. Guys, I'm gonna be going for short. Nice. I just caught there. Nice opening spot. First of all, look at the RSI. We were above the 70 and we are just slightly exiting the overbought zone. Like, even though you can see the support level in it, which is 109,865, and we just bounced off of it, reached to the level of 110,594, and just started leaving that spot. Here you go, $576 we won. So you guys, did you get it? We were just in a bullish trend. As soon as we entered the overbought zone, as soon as we were above the 70 according to the RSI, we just slightly started started a slight pullback. Australian dollars, they're just so weak these days. Okay, let me change it to, I want a 500 though. 500 here. I'm going for short, guys. I'm going really for short. I mean, there was an attempt to rise, but the resistance level at 10 a.m. not 10 a.m. 10 MA couldn't be broken though. So that's the main reason why we just moved downward again. We are very close to the oversold zone, but we are not in there. We are on the 30 according to the RSI. Now we have entered there, but we should be able to keep the market there for 10 more seconds, because I can't be affording losing this bet.
Oh my God!
That was tough. That was way too close. But alright, 1,000. So, ooh. Wait, what we're having? Let me 10. Not 10,000, just 1,000. And I'm gonna be just going for, let me show you. Let me just show you parallel channel and you'll able to see that. Would I expect right now that, here we go. Here we go. Yeah. Perfect now. Just a little bit of a corner. Here we go. Yeah, it seems fine. What I truly expect right now, that we're gonna be, first of all, I just need to bet, and I truly believe that we should be bouncing off from the lower boundary of the parallel channel that I drew, and this is what is happening right now. And if you take a look at the RSI, you can also see that we are just having, I just forgot the word, I'm sorry. If according to the RSI, you can see that we are having room to move, to grow, you know. So nice. As well as, guys, the price has just left the oversold zone. I mean, we were there, but it was just exiting there once I opened up the Australian New Zealand dollars.
Oh my God!
Just an easy one. This type, I mean, right now the situation was really very easy. Thank you. I mean, you see how the knowledge is important. I drew the parallel channel. Everything just became clear. This is it. This is it. Ooh, let me. I'll show you. First of all, I'm betting all in. I'm just keeping 100 in my balance right now. I do not care. Hopefully we're winning this right now. we were in the overbought zone. We are having the clear resistance level, which is at point of 1.90239. We just rebounded from it. In other words, we just bounced off from it. And look at the RSI. We are having way too much room to move short. Logical? Obvious? Yes. I mean, right now I expect a breakout from the moving averages, followed by the super trend line. And yeah, 15 seconds until I'm getting another 1,000. Just would like to remind you guys that sometimes, alright, let's wait 5 seconds and I'll explain what I wanted to say.
Oh
Perfect.
my God!
Nice, just nice and easy, you know. $4,000, almost, alright, almost $4,000 in my balance, received from just $103, I guess. So sometimes during the videos it is a little bit complicated to explain you the all details due to which I decided to go short or long, because time is going, you know. I can't be pausing the market, so I need to just make a bet right now. Yeah, sometimes I might be just pausing, I might be lying, you know, because I'm just filtering the information, analyzing the chart, and at the same time I should be just explaining you why I'm making the following or that particular decision. It's kind of tough for me, and I truly hope for your understanding. So yeah, sometimes it happens because it's very tough to do it, but I'm really trying my best. However, if you are really willing to just receive the all detailed information about the decisions that I'm making, and about the ways that I'm making these decisions, it is very much important for you to join my Telegram private group, because I'm explaining everything there. As well as, if you like this video, please leave a like, and if you don't want to really miss my videos, subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you for watching. I'm really delighted and blessed. Goodbye.